Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to update your firmware in your Sinkor lights. So if you're trying to use some of the gradient options for ramping and ramp down, you might notice they're not there, and it's probably because you haven't got the latest firmware. So in order to update your firmware for your Sinkor lights, make sure the SERP Life app is fully up to date. Make sure your lights are connected, then jump straight into the app. Once you're in the app, you'll see your lights listed. So just tap on one. This will take you to a new page. Here you'll see the three dots in the top right hand corner. Tap that, then tap device information. Here you'll see a full list of information about the light, and it'll have a little new icon next to the firmware version if there is an update available. Simply tap that and make sure you're within a good distance of your light so you're not going to have any dropouts. Then tap update now. It'll take a couple of minutes to update, just like in the example here. So just wait for it to go through. Thankfully, if you do have a dropout during this time, you can go back. It's not going to brick the light or anything like might happen with other software. I've had it happen quite a few times with me in the past, and the lights all seem to be working fine still, so don't stress too much about a dropout. I'm sure in rare cases it might be an issue, but I've had it quite a few now and there hasn't been any problems at all. Once the process completes, you'll get a little notification and you can confirm the update is successful. If it fails, you can just try again. It'll give you an error message saying that there was a problem. You can just go through the entire process again until it updates. Now, after you've done that, you should have full access to the ramp up and ramp down options within the SERP Life app, so you can configure everything exactly how you want it. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.